Hello everyone, this is an Android smartphone and whenever we switch it on, it keeps on restarting, sometimes on the logo and sometimes it asks for entering the username password, that is Google FRP password, but whenever trying to enter it, it again restarts. So let's see what's the problem with this. Actually, when I had checked, it appears that the battery is not supplying sufficient amperes of current. Because of that, it's restarting. So let's wait and check. Now it's booting up. As you see, it restarted again. So let's disassemble it and check. So just first remove the SIM tray. Now from here, take a guitar plectrum. Now you see, again it restarts. So here is the weak point where you can disassemble it easily near the SIM tray slot. Here surrounding the camera glass there is a glue, so just pull it gently. This way. As you see, we have two screws under the fingerprint sensor as well. We don't see any deformation on battery. Let's check the voltage. It is 3.8. So let's switch it on. When we switch it on, the voltage is dropping. So what I'll do is I'll check if there is any resistance buildup on the PCB. Suppose that let me So now let's connect and check the voltage. It's 3.8. Here it's 3.8 when you switch it on. Okay, now here it's 3.8, but here it's 3.3. As you can see, the voltage is dropping. Here it's 3.7, 3.8. As you can see, the voltage is dropping from here. Here it is 3.7, but on the output of the resistance it is 3.4. When the phone is booting up, the voltage is dropping. On the inputs of the resistance it is 3.7. On the output it is 3.4. What I'll do is I'll give a jump from here to here for testing purpose. Later, if it works fine, then I will change the resistance.
O'clock, 27.7 degrees Celsius.
In some of the batteries of smartphones, what I have seen is the positive terminal of the cell, that is lithium ion battery cell, which is connected to this PCB. Here, in between the PCB copper pad and the terminal of the battery, there is a resistance, carbon resistance built up. So whenever there is an increase in the resistance of that, then that time also the phone will start restarting. So if you do not find this resistance, 0 ohms resistance, here it is written 0, it's like a fuse. So if you do not find any such component, then it means that the resistance is in between the copper pad of the PCB and the terminal, positive terminal of battery, sometimes even at the negative terminal. Now take a wire and just solder it, pre-solder it. Apply paste to the wire. Single strand, take a single strand, not thick one, just thin as this one. This is experiment purpose. Please note that this is just a testing purpose. Once it works fine, then we need to replace this component. Do not keep the wire as it is and use the phone. Just replace the component. Apply some paste. Once the soldering is done, close this in this way. If there is any damage here, just remove this excess soldering. If this insulation tape is damaged, then you can fix one more tape. Now, okay, before that I'll just show you the voltage. Now let's switch it on and check. Now this is a negative. Here is 3.7. The output also is 3.7. Previously we had seen that at these two test points, whenever the phone is turned on, the resistance for the battery voltage was, whenever the phone was turned on, voltage was 3.4 volts. Now it is 3.8, as you can see. 3.7, 3.8. Let's see if the phone is on. As you can see, the phone is on and the voltage is 3.795x, 3.8. Okay, now let's fix it back and check. So let's disconnect the battery. See that it is properly insulated. Do not fix it back without insulating it properly. I will not fix the battery now presently. Now I will just test it for a few days and then later I will apply some adhesive, some glue and fix it back. I'll provide the link for the glue in the description. Now let's seal it back. First of all, I'll show you the voltage once again. Previously, first time when we had checked, the voltage was dropping when the phone was on. The voltage was showing 3.4, now it is 3.7. There is no drop in the voltage. So let's fix it back and check. Please note that this method not only applies to this particular Infinix smartphone, but it is helpful for any of the smartphones or even the feature phones that are restarting due to low current, that is low battery output current. Now place it. You see, it's good. Next, skip. Can select we need to, actually, as this was factory reset, now need to unlock the FRP and then continue configure it. Now as you see that the phone is not restarting, it's working fine. This you can apply, you can try this on any of the smartphones and feature phones. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.